In Chinese, Zen is a spiritual state that pursues inner peace and harmony. We use the concept of Zendo to merge the outside beautiful scenery into the house, with the integration of some feng shui culture to create a spiritual space where traditional and technology, people and scenery are combined. I'm Patrick Lam and the founder of Simplex Design Studio. We are architects that focus to expand the possibility of limited space. This year, we are also one of the judges of the Design Award. The apartment building is located in Dongchong of Hong Kong. The area is along the coast and is a gateway town towards the airport in Hong Kong. It is also a hilly place where you could capture beautiful views of natural landscape. The building was built in 2003. It was always a residential building. The building is near airport and so usually have pilot or flight attendant live here. The client is a couple from Taiwan. They have a son and a maid. They travel a lot overseas for work. They ask for a design which in a way could save their time and effort in managing the house, but also keep the connection with the beautiful hillside scenery of their home. They are also very believe in traditional feng shui culture. Originally, the apartment is a typical 2 bedrooms layout, with the kitchen located in a small, irregular shaped room. The overall storage is not enough, and so you could find sunshine anywhere in the house. We have swapped the kitchen out into the living room and become an open layout. The original irregular room would become the maid room with storage and laundry room. The bathroom door opening is shifted to the center in order to have a more efficient layout. In order to help the client in managing the house, we introduce smart intelligence in both hardware and software. The entrance door is controlled with electronic lock and smart door viewer. In the foyer, there is a shoes cabinet with a carved foil to put some little stuff like keys. There is also a full-height bronze color mirror. In the living room, we introduced a wooden deck platform with storage underneath, extended to the window. The center of the platform is featured with an electronic uplift coffee table. One side of the wall is wrapped with a full-height cabinet, which integrates a TV set, air conditioner, sliding door of the corridor, storage or decoration space, and slide-fold glass panels in the cabinet wall. The slide-fold panels are closed to create a room if the grandmother is come to stay overnight and take care of the child. The wooden works is mainly used with wooden-like ecological minimite board, which is waterproof and scratch-proof, and mixed with some grey veneer and wallpaper. Another side of the living room is a warm white painted wall, featured with some classic flat frames. The dining room is made up of an open kitchen with a high-top dining table. The dining table is located at the edge of the wooden deck platform. The countertop and one side use queen stone to make stronger protection. One side would be a normal height of dining. The other side could use as a bar table. The table is also integrated with drawers and 2 tailor-made curved storage stools. The open kitchen is wrapped with full-height kitchen cabinet with a carved void at the center. The electrical cooktop, microwave, and oven is also integrated into the kitchen cabinet. The front part of the maid room serves as the kitchen and filled with fridge and storage, and is fitted with a lift-up bag with a washing machine underneath. We also install an electronic clothes hanger at the ceiling. The master bedroom is wrapped with wooden frame at the window to create linkage with the scenery outside, and also as an improvement element for feng shui. The room is wrapped with full-height wardrobe around the corner with a little makeup table hidden in the drawers of the wardrobe. The sunroom is wrapped with wooden frame at the window and filled with lift-up wooden platform for storage. The sun could directly sit on the platform to use the working desk. We also install our floating shelves above the working desk. The bathroom is mainly wrapped with warm white marble tiles with a white mosaic tile feature wall at the shower cubicle. A full-length L-shaped countertop and a top mirror cabinet are introduced. A rack for hanging clothes is integrated into the lower cabinet, and we also install an electronic toilet in the bathroom. Not only lacking of space is a common phenomenon in the world, but also lacking of imagination of space. We always believe that every small space would be a miniature of a society. Every micro-design could be responsive to macro social issues. So we tend to drill into every part of a project, for example, site context, neighborhood, historical background, needs of end users or materials, etc. We hope this inner city detailing could help to set a prototype catalyst to improve the living environment.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.